kids! Let's find toys under the balls. Okay, first, whoa! What we got here?
Police car.
Okay, let's pick another one. Look, this is a submarine. It goes under the sea. Look, it has green and yellow color. Submarine. Good job.
It has wheels.
It has wheels and
Submarine.
wow. Okay, next we have this purple car. It has a little yellow color as well. Oops. And the windows are yellow. Here you go. Next. Whoa, what is this super cool car? I bet it's very fast. It's a race car. It has blue and what color can you see? Blue and orange. Good job. And look! Super big car. It's called a monster car. Look at those.
Fire truck.
Oh, what's that? Fire truck. Show. This is a monster car. It's green. And look at those big wheels. It goes wrong. Here you go. Please put it on the side. Look what I found. Look what I found. What is this? This is a digger. It's a digger. It's a yellow digger. Okay. Next, look, another green car with yellow wheels and the inside is also yellow. Show me this. Look, it's another green car. Okay, show the helicopter. Yes, what's the color of the helicopter? What's the color? Red. Good job. Next. Look! It's a supercar again. It has orange wheels and a green here. And look, it's like purple at the down there. Super. Oh, look! It's a Jeep. Looks funny. It has eyes. Okay. Look! I found another helicopter. Look, I found another helicopter here. It's a white helicopter. It has face too. Hello! Hello, red helicopter. Look what I got. Look at this scary monster. Scary monster. Look, it's a tractor. It has green and white. And what's the color of the wheels?
Yeah.
monkey riding on a car, getting ready for the race.
The tractor.
Show me the tractor. Look, another car. It has a funny shape. What is this car?
This is a
It looks
tractor.
beautiful. It is green. Interesting. Oh, look what I found, kids. It's a turtle.
Oh, where's another new toy?
Let's find more toys. Look, I found a red car with a monkey again. Look, Mr. Monkey is riding the car. What's the color of the car? What's the color of the car? And ooh, what is this? I found something. It's a bee. A yellow bee. Oh, there's more. Wow. Super cool. This is a jet. It's a jet plane. Wow, look at this. It's red. It's a red color.
This is a fire truck.
What's that? What is the sound of the fire truck? Okay, good job. Next we have this red car. It's a race car. Look, I found a big car here. Red, and it has, whoa, 6 wheels. Look at that. Okay, let's find more toys. Look, I found another car. It's color brown. Oh, so colorful car. I like this. It has green, orange, and pink from the under. Whoa, look at the wheels. It has orange and black. Here, take your toys. And look, another monster car. It's a red monster car this time. With the big wheels. Whoa, super. Let's find more toys. What about this big red car? Look at this big red car. It has lights on the top and also lights on the front. And it has the number 5 over here.
Police car.
Look! Another red car. Looks fancy, huh? Let's try to open the door. Whoa! Look, we can see the steering wheel. Okay. Is there more toy? Here, I found a train. Look at the train. Choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo. It's an orange and yellow train. Oh, give me the ambulance. Look what I found. bouncing ball with lights inside. Find some toys under the ball pit. Look what I got first. It's a red car. Look, we can open the door. It has a backlight. And from here we can see the steering wheel. Look at this. It's a monster turtle. Monster turtle. It's a tractor, a green tractor. It's a green dangerous car. Show them the color of your car. What's the color? Green and what else? Red car. Has some switch here. Okay, here you go. Whoa, look what I got. It's a fire truck. Yes, it's a fire truck. Red fire truck. Look, another tractor. Okay. Look at this car. It has a funny shape. Look what I found. It's a construction truck. It's called